Welcome back. Today it's me, Beto J. I'm going to be making Samao beat today. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and stay tuned for Samao beat. That's the beat I'm going to be making today. Samao beat. When you launch your FL Studio, put your cursor on your FL Studio app like this. You right click and you come here and just click open. But for me, I've already launched my FL Studio, so I'm just going to click here, just enter my FL Studio app. This is my channel rack where my cursor is on my screen. Make sure you take note here. This is my cursor. I will click here on my channel rack, click on add, then I will click on citrus. I will left click and hold it, turn my mouse wheel to channel 5. I'll put my cursor right here, right click and press piano roll to start making my Samao beat. Now I'm going to program my Samao beat. After programming my Samao beat like this, I'm going to create now the bass melodies. Now let's watch this bass melody. These are going to be my bass melodies. Good. After, I'm going to pick a bull bars. I'm going to click on add here, or click on add, click on my bull bars app, or put my cursor on this empty space, left click and hold it, turn my mouse to channel 6, put my cursor here, right click and press piano roll. Now this is going to be my bass melody. Next step is I will start to program my hi-hat now. Make sure you take note the way I'm explaining. When programming your beats, make sure you take note of this. Select, slice, slip, mute, delete, paint, draw, and snap to grid. But now let's go back to our channel rack. This is our channel rack here. On hi-hat on channel 3, I'll right click and press piano roll. I'll start to program my hi-hat now. This is how I'm going to program my hi-hat. Good. After programming my 1 bar pattern on my hi-hat, I will left click, hold it, highlight to left, press Ctrl and B. Now that's good. I'm going to program my hi-hat like this. Let's play it and listen. The next step is on my channel rack here. On channel 4, I will right click and press piano roll. I'll start to program my snare now. This is my snare. Good. The next step is I'm going to put my cursor on my kick here, left click and hold it, drag it to channel 1, right click now and press piano roll. I'll start to program my kick now. Now I'll program my kick like this. That's it. The next step is I'll click on my channel 1, click on this icon, turn the boss knob right up. I'm going to like rearrange the notes of my kick. I'll right click, press piano roll, right click, press piano roll, press Ctrl and A, pitch my kick right up. Now let's play it. That's good. Where I've written pattern 1, I'll put my cursor here, right click and click here, split by chaining. As you can see, everything I've programmed for my Samao beat has appeared on the top left corner of my FS Studio. I'll click now on my kick, click back on my playlist, click on my hi-hat, click on my playlist, click on my snare, and click back on my playlist, click on my citrus, click back on my playlist, click on my boo bars, and click back on my playlist. After doing so, I'll click on this select, put my cursor right here, left click and hold it, highlight to the left, press Ctrl and B several times to make my beat longer and to create space for intro and outro. That's it. I'll make sure I remove the kick, remove the hi-hat, remove the snare to create space for my intro and outro. Now, I'll put my cursor here, left click and hold it, highlight to the left, press Ctrl and B to make my beat longer and to create space for intro and outro. Now, I'll make sure I'll remove the hi-hat here, remove the snare here to create a different bounce. After doing so, I'm going to extend my beat, which is going to be my outro here. Click back and click on my outro here. Let's listen to the beat now. This was so short and brief. We are going to listen to the Samao beat from the start to the end, and see you tomorrow in another video. That's it. Now, let's listen to the Samao beat from the start to the end. Don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's go. Thank you so much for watching how to make Samao beats. Don't forget to subscribe. See you tomorrow in another video. I'm going into details tomorrow. Subscribe. This was short and brief. Thank you so much for watching. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.